So we've already seen how you can connect to analysis services from within the Power BI desktop, but now you want to upload that file and start using it in the service. What you'll need to do is download the Power BI Analysis Services connector. Set that up, and it acts in a similar way to the Personal Gateway, in that it acts as a connection between your on-premises analysis services and routes any information flowing up into the Power BI service. It also deals with flowing those credentials backwards and forwards so that the users only get access to the data they're interested in. Let's have a look at how you get that set up as well. To download it, come to the top right-hand corner again of the Power BI site, and you'll see an option for the Analysis Services connector. I'm not going to go through downloading and installing it here. It's pretty straightforward. It's very similar to the Power BI Gateway. Install it, it runs on your machine. You log into the Power BI service, you log into your Analysis Services machine, and it registers the Analysis Services models up to Power BI. If you then want to go and use it, you can either publish one of those reports that you created in the desktop with a connection to that Analysis Services model, or you can connect to it directly through the Power BI service. So again, you come down to Get Data. When you choose Databases, you'll see there's an option for the SQL Server Analysis Services connections. And this will list out all of the AS models that have been registered by somebody downloading and installing that AS connector. I'm going to use the third one here. And when I click this, I get a choice of, these are all of the tabular models that are available on that machine. And I'll hit connect. And now you'll see on the left-hand side, all that's happened is it's added a data set for me that I can go and choose to use. And that's just a pointer to the Analysis Services model. When I click this, I get my report canvas, and I can see on the right-hand side the tables that are available in the model. So let's start building some visuals, just the same as doing any other report, drag and drop. But I'm working live here against the Analysis Services machine. Maybe I want to look at our sales amount by our product categories. And we could do it over time as well. You get the idea. It's just like working with any other data set here in Power BI. I can save this report. This is my Analysis Services report. And again, I can pin these things back to my dashboards just as I would do anything else. Now, the great thing about pinning these to a dashboard is if you then share this with other folks around your organization, when they view this dashboard, they'll see just the data that they've got access to from within Analysis Services. The connector that you set up will pass those credentials through to Analysis Services and make a live query back there using their credentials, so they only see the data that they've got access to. So that's it, really simple. Download the Analysis Services connector, set it up the same as you would do the gateway, and then you can start using models that are published up into the Power BI service.